the first year. What is given here? They are asked us to match. They asked us to match. Yes, so ma'am will take the red color. Okay, see, now we should count. See, we will make it as A, B and C. So, we are supposed to match A, B and B and C. Okay, so in the A column, they have given the objects. See, they have drawn the objects. In B column, they have given the number names. Yes, they have given the number names. And C, and in C, they have given the numerals. They have given the numerals. Yes, now we are going to match A with the B column and B with the C. Okay, so now we can take the third one. Yes, we will count how many trees are there. Will you count along with ma'am? Yes, yes, come on, count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 trees. We have 3 trees. Yes. What is the number name spelling for 3? It's THREE. Just search here where it is. This is TEN 10, SEVEN 7, ONE 1, EIGHT 8, TWO 2, XIX 6. What's the spelling of 3? THREE. Yes, we found the answer. So, from this, you should match in the column B. Now, numerals. We will search where is 3. Okay. 7, 8, 10, 6, 1, 5, 2, 9, 3. Yes, it's here. Are you all doing in the rough notebook? Are you all doing? Yes. Simultaneously practice in your rough notebook, or you can practice in your maths. You are writing your maths classwork, right? In that notebook also you can practice. Okay. So we have matched the 3. Shall we count how many stars are here? Yes. Come on, count along with ma'am. See here those stars are there. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 stars. Yes. We can see where is the number names in B column. It's nearby that. Yes. FIVE 5. And in C column, where is the numerals? Where? Yes, it's here. Below 1. Yes. We found the answer. Yes, children. The same way, you should also practice in your rough notebook. You can write and practice the numbers and the number names. Okay. Have you all finished? We all written the number names from 0 to 10. Yes? Yes. Now we'll go for the next one. See, ma'am is going to give you the big star here because you all are doing in your rough notebook, right? So, a big star for you all. Okay? Now we'll go for the next one. Yes. Yes, same here also they have given the missing number names. Yes, they have given the number names. We should find the answer. Yes, you all know number names, right? Very good, children. You all practice nicely for your evaluation. Yes. So now we are going to see the second one. What number is this? It's 5. It's 5. Yes. What's the spelling? Are you all writing in your rough notebook? Are you all writing in your notebook? Yes. Yes. Come on, write the spelling of 5. Yes, write. F I V E. Yes, FIVE 5. Very good. A big star. Now we will write the spelling for 8. 8. Okay. EIGHT. Yes. Finish. Very good. Ice cream for you all. Okay. Are you all writing in your notebook? Yes. Yes. So, we'll go for the next one. We saw numbers and we saw number names. And now we are going to go to, yes, circle. We should count and circle the numbers. Yes. Shall we do? You all know, right? Yes, we will do the ORs. See how nicely it is standing. We will do this sum. Okay. Come on, count along with ma'am. How many ORs are there? ORs, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6. Yes. Now, where is the number 6? Circle the 6. 4, 7, and 6. Yes. So, now we are going to circle 6. We found the answer. Yes. Same way, you can also draw some objects, count and write. You can also draw some objects in your notebook, count and write. Now, we will count the birds. Yes. See, birds. Birds are flying here and there, right? See, shall we count? How many birds are there? Yes, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 birds. Yes, see, where is the number 7 here? It's 6, 7, and 2. Yes, 7 is below 2. So, we will circle 7. Okay. So now you are familiar with number names and count and write. Yes? Yes, very good. Shall we go for the next one? Yes, it is more or less concept. Yes. We see they have given two sides. One is A. We'll name it as A and B. We should find which is more. Yes, we should count and see which side is more. Shall we? Yes. So, we will count the number of buttons here. Yes. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 buttons this side. In B column, 1, 2. Yes. Which is more, 6 or 2? Yes, it's 6. So, we will circle the 6. So, 6. Number of more number is 6. So, circle the 6. Now, shall we count balls here? Yes? Come on. Count how many balls are here. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, we will write here 2. In the B column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Which side is more? A or B? It's B side, right? So, circle the B side. Circle in the B side. So, now you are familiar with the more and the less concept? Yes? You all are familiar with more and less? You know to find the more and less? Yes. Now, we will go for the next one. What comes before? Yes, very easy, right? Before numbers, you all know, right? Yes, so we will write the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we are going to find the before number. We are going to find the before number. Yes. What is the before number of 4? What is the before number of 4? Yes. Shall we find here? Where is 4 here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Before number of 4. It's 3. Yes. So, the column we are going to write 3. But in exam, you should not write like this and all. Okay. You should itself keep it in your mind and fill. You should keep it in your mind and fill. Yes. And here, see. What is the before number of 1? What is the before number of 1? Before number of 1. It's 0. Yes. The before number of 1 is 0. Yes. And before number of 7? You can message in the chat. What is the before number of 7? It's 6. Yes. Now we finish the before number. You all understand the before number? Yes. So we saw numbers, number names, more or less concept, count and write, and before number. Now we are going to see after numbers. Yes. You all know, right, already? Yes. So now we are going to find the after number. See the arrow mark how ma'am is putting. Now we are going to see the after number. Yes. What is the after number of 2? After 2? Yes, it's 3. It's 3. And after number 9, after 9, it's 10. Very good. Yes. So, You all know the numbers from 0 to 9, right? Very good. So now after 1, it's 2. We found the answer. Yes. So children, now next we are going to go to the between numbers. Yes. See, everything we are revising. Why? Because we have our evaluation, right? So only ma'am is revising for you. Okay. Then now we are going to find the between numbers. We are going to find the between numbers. 1. See, now we are going to find the between numbers from 1 dash 3. What is the number between 1 and 3? What is the number between 1 and 3?
2.
2. Very good. So, the number between 1 and 3 is 2. Yes. And number between 2 and 4, it's 3. It's 3. Very good. Big star for you all. Because you all are doing along with ma'am, right? Yes? Or you are doing the sums in the rough notebook? Yes? Very good. Yes. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now shall we go for the next one? Yes. Concept you all like. What is this? Kindly mute yourself. This is ascending order and descending order. Yes, ma'am taught you many tips in ascending and descending order. Do you all remember? Yes? Yes, ascending order means from small to big. From small to big. Descending order means from big to small. Descending order, big to small. Kindly mute yourself, dear. It's disturbing others, right? So kindly mute yourself. You can work it out in your rough notebook. Okay? So, ascending small to big. Sridhar sir, descending order means from big to small. Okay? Shall we do the sum now? Yes. See what they have given. They have given 8, 3, 7, 2. Yes. If ascending order means what you should draw? You should draw crocodile mouth. You should draw crocodile mouth. Then you should put small line. Yes. See? Small line. This is small. Then little big. Then big. Then biggest. Yes. Crocodile mouth. Crocodile like the big number, right? So here the big number will be coming. Yes. So in ascending order, small to big. Ascending order means what? Small to big. So now we are going to find big. Now we are going to call. From now we are going to say numbers from 1 to 9. Yes. Do we have 1 here? No. We have 2. Kindly mute yourself.
Yes.
Sridhar sir. Sanya ma'am. So we are going to arrange numbers from small to big. We have here 1, no, right? Then 2, yes, we have 2. So write the 2
Yes.
and write here 2. Do we have 3? Yes. So write 3 and write 3. Do we have 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. Do we have 7 here? Yes. So strike the 7 and write 7 here. Do we have 8? Yes. So we found the answer from small to big. We arrange the numbers from small to big. Yes. Do you all understand now? Again, ma'am will say ascending order means arrangement of numbers from small to big. Arrangement of numbers from small to big. Yes, crocodile mouth. You draw the crocodile mouth and put the line and say the numbers from 1 to 9, and you should arrange the numbers in the box. So it will be very easy for you. Okay. And now we are going to see the descending order. We are going to see the descending order. We will take the same number as 8, 3, 7 and 2. We take the same number. Yes. Descending order means what you should draw? You should draw steps. Do you remember? You should draw steps. Yes. So from big to small. From big to small. Yes. So now we will count the numbers in backward. Yes. From 10. We are going to count from 10. In descending, we are going to count from 10. Yes. So come on, count. Do we have 10 here? No. 9? No. Do we have 8?
No.
Yes, we have 8
Yes.
here. So cut 8 and write it in the steps. Okay. Then do we have 7 before 8?
Yes.
Yes. So cut the 7 and write. Before 7 it is 6. We have 6 here? No. 5. We don't have. 4. Oh, we have 3. Yes, we have 3. So strike it 3 and write 3. Then 2. Yes, we have 2. Yes, we found the answer. So we arrange numbers from big to small. We arrange the numbers from big to small. From big to small. Again, ma'am will say descending order means big to small. You should draw the steps. You should count from 10, 9, 8, 7 to 0. Then you should arrange the numbers. Okay? Are you all clear? Yes? Clear?
It is small
Yes.
to big. It is big to small.
Yes. Now we are going to see put the correct sign. Yes, correct sign means who taught you? Who came and taught you? Which animal came and taught you? Put the correct sign. Yes, it was crocodile mouth. Yes. Greater, smaller, equal to. Do you remember that? Yes. Shall we do? Yes. Yes, now see there is a bunny having the number 7 and 9, which is big number here. Crocodile mouth, crocodile likes to eat. Crocodile likes to eat the biggest number. So the big side, crocodile will open the mouth, and in the lesser side, L shape. Do you remember L shape? The closed point will come. The closed point will come in the less side, the smallest number. Yes, and if the numbers are same, matching, if the numbers, both the numbers are same, what symbol will come? Equal to. If both the numbers are same, equal to will come. Yes, and now here it is given as 7 and 9. Given as 7 and 9. Which is the biggest number? You all know, right? Which is the biggest number? It's 9. Yes. So, biggest number side, what will come? Biggest number side. Biggest number side, what will come? Yes, the greater the sign will be coming. What will come? The greater symbol will come. Greater symbol means crocodile mouth. Greater symbol is crocodile mouth will be coming, right? Yes. So, now we are going to draw the crocodile mouth there. Yes. We are going to draw the crocodile mouth.
Dear
Yes.
parents, don't unmute your video and audio. It will disturb the presentation. Kindly don't unmute video and audio. Thank you. Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
Yes, yes. So, in crocodile mouth open means this is 9 is the biggest number here. So, crocodile is going to eat 9. So, ma'am is putting the greater than symbol here. Okay. Are you all writing in your notebook? Yes. Shall we go for the next one? Yes. So, again the bunny is showing us the number 8 and 2. Yes. Here, shall we find the smallest number? Less number? Yes, which is the smallest number here? Yes, come on, say which is the smallest number, 8 or 2? I am going to draw here 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 stars. And this side, ma'am is going to draw 2 stars. Which side there are more number of stars? Yes, 8, right? 8 is the greatest number, biggest number. And which is the smallest number? smallest number? It is 2. Yes. So here it is only 2 stars and here it is 8 stars are there. So now we are going to find the smallest number. What is the symbol? Smallest. Closed curve. Do you remember? Closed point. The closed point will come. Yes. So this side we are going to put this symbol. So we found the number which is less is 2 and crocodile mouth big is coming, see, opening big mouth, that is 8. 8 is the greatest number and smallest number is 2. You understood the concept? Yes. Okay. Yeah, again bunny is coming. Yes, it's showing us the number 1 and 1. See, 1 1 1 and 1 means what? It's matching, same number, right? It is same number, right? You all understand? 1 and 1 the same number, right? If same number comes means what symbol will come? It's equal to. Very good. If the numbers are same, what symbol? Equal to. Yes. So we found the answer. Yes. And now it's time for the second lesson revision. Yes, children, first lesson now you all remember number names, before number, after number, between numbers we saw, then count and circle. Yes, ascending order, descending order, and put the correct sign. Yes, now you all are familiar with the first lesson. Shall we go for the second lesson? Yes, before going to the second lesson, a small exercise. Okay? Yes, come on. Blink your eyes. Open and close. Blink your eyes. Yes, open, close. Open, close. Yes, always you should keep your mobile in 1 arm distance. You should keep far away from your eyes. Yes. Now turn your head to the right and left. Right side, left side, up and down. Yes. Now shall we go into the next lesson, addition? Yes, Sarmya ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Sarnya ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, my dear kids. It's time for addition revision. Okay. Yes. Are you all ready? Yes, because we have assessment for the lesson 1 and 2. No? Yes, we have finished lesson number 1 revision. Now we are going to see addition revision. Okay. Yes. Okay. Do you remember the property which we saw in addition? Yes. What are the properties? Yes. See, what is the first property? Adding 0 to any number. What it means? Adding 0 to any number. If you add 0 to any number, what will you get? Same number. Very good. Same number. For example, 6 plus 0, it gives you same number 6. Yes, 6 plus 0 is also 6. 5 plus 0 is also 5. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Yes. So, whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Okay, Kanna? You have to remember these properties. Okay, when you do addition, you have to remember all these properties. Okay, it will be very useful for you. Okay, Kanna? Yes, what is the next property? Adding 1 to any number. Yes, if you add 1 to any number, what will you get? Yes, after number, the next number. Yes, what is the after number of 6? See, the example here is 6 plus 1. Now, without adding and without leaving our fingers to add, we can easily find using the properties. Okay, 6 plus 1. What is the next number? That is after number of 6. It is 7. We know, right? After number, before number. Yes. So, 6, the after number is 7. So, the answer is 7. Similarly, what is 3 plus 1? What is the after number of 3? It is 4 only, right? So immediately you have to answer by using this properties. Okay, Kanna? Very good. Now third property is order property. Okay. So for example, let's take 2 plus 3. Okay. What is 2 plus 3? Count and tell me. What is 2 plus 3? It is 5, right? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You have to do it using mind calculation. 2 in the mind, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that only you have to use. If you use pictorial representation or fingers, okay, it is not easy, right? But if you do it in mind calculation, easily you can find the answers. Okay. Yes, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, if I interchange the position, okay, exchange the position or order of the numbers, see, I changed the 2 plus 3 here and I have written 3 plus 2 now. I changed the order or position of the numbers. Yes. So, now shall we find what is the answer will come for 3 plus 2? Yes. Yes, it is also 5. Yes. So, even though you change the order of the numbers, you will get the same answer. Yes, that is the order property. Yes, Kanna. 2 plus 3 is also 5. 3 plus 2 is also 5. Okay, Kanna. Yes. So, these are the three properties we saw in the addition lesson. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, we are moving to sums. Okay. See, this is what method? What is this method? It is pictorial representation, right? Pictorial representation. Okay. Yes. See here, how many deeds are there? 3. And here, how many deeds are there? 3. Yes, so cute it is, right? Very good. So, we are going to count these deeds together. Addition means putting things together. What is the symbol of addition? It is plus. What are the other words for addition? Yes, together. How many? In all? Yes, Kanna, sum. So all these we saw in addition lesson, right? Yes. So you have to remember all these things, Kanna. Okay. So count and tell me how many deeds are there together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Yes, right. Number 6 in the box. Okay. Similarly, here so cute penguin. See how cute it is. Yes. So yes, count and tell me how many penguins are there together. Okay. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 penguins are there. Yes, right. Number 9 in the box. Okay, very good, dears. You all did it. Wonderful. Okay, now we are moving to next sum. See here also pictures only given for you. Okay, you have to count the pictures and circle the correct number. Here numbers are given from 1 to 9, but you have to count it and circle the correct number. Okay, see, let me take books. Okay, how many books are there here? If you count all together, how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 books. So circle the number 5. Wonderful. Okay. So like this you have to practice all other sums too. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Now next we are moving to another method. Okay, there are 4 methods, right? One is pictorial representation, another one is finger method, another one is mind calculation, and the last one is number line method. Yes, so here the second method is finger method. What is finger method? By using our fingers we can find the answer, right? Yes, see, let's take 2 plus 2. Okay, leave 2 fingers in your left hand and leave 2 fingers in your right hand and count all together. 2 plus 2. How many fingers you leave in your hands? It is 4, right? Yes, right. Number 4 in the box. So this is what we call finger method. Okay. Yes. Now next what we will see is number line method. See, mind calculation already we saw, right? What is the statement for mind calculation? For example, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Okay, first number you keep it in your mind and second number you leave it in your fingers. Okay, yes, and then you have to count the after numbers. Yes, so 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Yes, this is what we call mind calculation. Okay, yes, this is the easiest and fast method. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see number line method. Yes, that rabbit frog jumping here and there and taught us how to do calculation using number lines. Yes, do you remember that? Yes, okay. See, the number line has numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, and first initially we have to be in number 0. Initially we have to be in the number 0. Okay, then what is the first number here? It is 3. So we have to jump to the number 3 on the number line. Okay, next what is the number given? Second number 6. So we have to jump 6 times to find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we jumped 6 times and reached to the number 9. Yes, yes. So now we found the answer 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So this is the number line method. Okay, Kanna. Okay, one more example we will see. Okay. Yes. Yes, okay. Let me take 5 plus 3. Okay. 5 plus 3. Yes. Now initially we have to be in number 0. And what is the first number? It is 5. So jump to the number 5. Okay. Then how many jumps you have to do? What is the second number? It is 3, right? So jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we jumped 3 times and reached the number 8. Yes, so we found the answer 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Yes, Kanna, very good. So you all should practice like this only. Okay, all the best for your evaluation. Okay, over to Suganya ma'am. Suganya ma'am. Yes, Kanna. Okay.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, now, ma'am. Okay.
As children, now you all are familiar with addition and the methods. Yes, will you all do superbly in evaluation? Yes, so in your allotted time, kindly log in only in your allotted time, then only there will be no server problem. Okay, so today in your allotted time alone, you go to the MEM Maangad app and do the exam. Okay, yes, and now you all are familiar with number awareness, number lessons and addition. Yes, so now it's time for tables. Did you all memorize 1 and 2 table? Yes, do you all know 2 tables? All are familiar with 2 tables? Yes, so shall we say? Come on, repeat along with ma'am. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Yes, come on, say 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Very good. Yes. Okay, children. Now it's time for saying bye. You can unmute your video and say bye to your friends. Okay. See, remember? Yes, remember. You should log in only in your allotted time. Okay. Yes. Hi. Thank you. Thank you, Sanya ma'am. Thank you, Sanya ma'am.
Thank you, Murja ma'am.
Bye, Sana. Thank you, Sudhir. Thank you, Suganya ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Tejashwini, Puri, Niralya, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pragalpa, bye.